Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Sriyalata.
Okay.
I am from Sri Lanka.
How many years old are you?
My age now 48.
Are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two children
2 children. In which country are they?
in my country.
Who is taking care of your children?
Actually, they are now big, but they are with my mother now.
Okay. So what job you are applying for?
I'm applying for a housemaid as a housemaid, houseworking.
Housemaid. And you
Yeah.
can take care of children also, right?
Yes, I can
So
take
all
care of
around
children,
housemaid come nanny.
but not the small, very small
Okay.
children.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
Still, I'm working in my company until April 16.
Okay.
And after April 16th, I asked with my boss
Hmm.
if I find a job,
Hmm.
I can join it for the new job.
So after April 16, you will be available.
Yes.
Okay. And do you have any relatives in UAE?
Yes, there is one of my auntie staying here.
Okay. Please describe your present job.
Sorry.
Describe your present job. What is your present job?
Guest house assistant.
Okay. What are your duties?
My duties working 24 hours,
Hmm.
but it is depends guest.
Hmm.
Just receiving guests
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
guest house I'm cleaning and tidying and
Hmm.
washing and ironing.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay. So how will you clean the house? How will you start cleaning the house?
Well, it is also depend guests when the guests are coming, and then after that check out they are. Yes, I'm starting to clean that room.
Hmm.
Yeah, it is depends guest everything.
Okay. How many times in a week you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
Uh, once a week, one time.
Okay. How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
Sorry.
How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
Cleans
Toilets.
the.
Every day you clean?
Yes, it is everyday cleans. It is also depends if there is dirty.
Hmm.
But especially when the for a room, if there is guest coming, I complete cleaning.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Deliver man.
If you are working for a family, if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around, what will you do? You will open the door or you will check with the employer and open the door?
Yeah, I will check with the employer and then I open the door.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook.
What kind of food you can cook?
Just I know sometimes I'm cooking my country food and sometimes like Arabic food.
Hmm.
But I don't know European food.
Okay. So,
Yes.
are you willing to learn? If your employer gives you instructions, can you follow and can you cook?
Yes, I can do.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of children?
Yes, but not very small children. So,
Okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
well, I like children, like my children.
Hmm.
Uh,
So, what activities you enjoy with them, like playing or telling stories to them?
Yes, like cleaning and yes, I'm listening to story them.
Okay.
And
So, if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
sorry again.
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, if he had a minor accident, what will you do?
Well, if it is like that, that's what I need. Look after the children like my eyes.
Okay.
Cooking and household, all if I am going to do it with children also look after, is very difficult.
Okay, so what
And
will
then-
you do at that time? Like you will give the medicine or
Well, that time, if it is the children parents at home, yes, I definitely talk to them. If they are not in the house, yes, I definitely, as soon as quick, I call them, and then what I can do, I will do quick. I will take to the maybe hospital.
Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to a child? If the child asks you something, will you say no?
Sorry, again.
If the child asks you something, will you say no?
No, I can't say no.
Okay, I will give you a situation. Say yes or no. If the child want to go to park alone, will you allow them to go?
Yes, I will go with them.
You will go with them, but you will not allow him to go alone, right?
No, I'm not let him to go alone. I
Okay.
go with them.
So if it is bad or dangerous to the child, you will say no, right?
Yes. Of
Okay.
course, yes.
So how much is your minimum expected salary?
Minimum, I want 2,500.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with us. Families will contact you. Thank you, Shreya, for your time for MaidCV.com. Thank you.
Thank you.